In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trending songs on Google Trends. If you're trying to pick music that audiences are actually searching for, Google's free Trends tool makes it simple to see what's hot right now and where interest is growing. First, open the Google Trends homepage in your browser. You don't need an account and the site works on desktop and mobile. Once it loads, click Explore. This takes you to the interactive dashboard where you can shape the results to match your audience. At the top, click Add a search term and type a genre or track keyword. I'll use funk as the example. Before looking at the results, set your filters so the data reflects your goal. Choose the country you care about, select a date range that fits your timeline, past 7 or 30 days for fresh momentum or 12 months for seasonality, and switch the search type from web search to YouTube search. That last filter matters for music because it focuses on what people look for on YouTube, a major place where songs trend. Now look at interest over time. This line chart is scaled from 0 to 100 and shows relative search interest for your term within the period and region you selected. A value of 100 marks the peak interest. It doesn't mean 100 searches, just the highest point compared to the rest of the chart. Hover or tap along the line to see exact dates and values. Spikes often signal breakout moments, while steady plateaus can indicate sustained demand. Below the chart, you'll find commonly searched queries related to your term. These help you understand the exact phrases people pair with your keyword, which can guide titles, tags, and discovery. You'll see two tabs here. Top queries show the most popular related searches overall in your time frame. Their numbers are indexed, so higher percentages are relatively more popular. Rising queries highlight searches that are growing the fastest right now. When you see breakout, that means a surge too large to quantify with a standard percentage, usually a strong sign of a new wave of interest. Use these insights together. The trend line reveals timing, while top and rising queries reveal the language people actually use. Keep your country, date range, and YouTube search filter consistent as you check different keywords so your comparisons stay fair. And that's the workflow. You now know how to find trending songs on Google Trends. Try a few keywords, adjust your filters, and turn data into smarter music choices.